Hello everyone and welcome to this Moodle tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the ordering question type. This question type is a new feature of Moodle 4.4 and it allows you to rearrange words or phrases within your question. So let's go now to the Moodle course page, and I'm going to add an activity or resource, and I will look for the quiz activity. So for this quiz, I'm going to name this as quiz 1, and usually we put description here, and if you want to put your instruction as well, you can put in this section. For your settings, you can use some other settings of this quiz activity, and in my case, I don't have any settings. I'll just click save and return to course. After setting up the quiz, I'll click on this quiz 1, and as you can see, I have no other questions since this is a very new setup quiz. So I'll just add question, and I'll add a new question, and from this window I am going to choose the ordering question type and click the add button. The question name of my question is all about the life cycle of a butterfly. And the quiz or question text that I will put here is my instruction to my students, which is rearrange the words below based on, or rearrange the words or options below based on the life cycle of a butterfly. Right? And for the settings, the question status is ready, or you can make it draft, but in my case I'll make it ready. You can also change the default mark. For the general feedback, if you have general feedback, you can also put the general feedback here so that your students will know how they got wrong or correct answer. So it is always good to put a general feedback so that your students can see it after they answered the question. So there is an ID number here, you can skip that. And the layout of items, you can choose vertical or horizontal, but for now we will choose the vertical. And the item selection type is select all items. Grading type is absolute position. Grading details is show. Number the choices, no numbering. In the settings draggable items, you can put here the answers or the options. So in my answer here, for example, in draggable item number 1 is egg, I will just choose the default, which is the Moodle auto format. Draggable item number 2 is caterpillar. Draggable item number 3 is chrysalis. And draggable item, let me just check on the spelling. Alright, caterpillar. And draggable item number 4 is butterfly. Alright, I don't have any other items to add, so I don't need to add or click the add button. But if you have more items to add, you can click this add button. So I'll just click save changes, and I will be able to preview my question by clicking this preview question icon. So as you can see now, I have my question and I can use this icon on the left to drag the items or sequence the items based on their correct answer, or the life cycle based on the life cycle of a butterfly. Or aside from using the icon on the left, you can also use the icon on the right, which is the up arrow and the down arrow, right? So you can just click submit and finish. After that, you can see the correct order of the words, and you can close preview now. So that is how you can use the ordering question type in Moodle, in the Moodle quiz. So if you have any questions, you can leave your comments here. And if your Moodle site is not yet updated to Moodle 4.4, just let us know and we'll get back to you. Thank you for listening. Bye.